Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you about our startup idea and discuss in brief about that. We have been assigned an assignment for subject innovation and entrepreneurship. In this group we have having two members, first Naya and second myself Brugu. Team name is Discover Yourself and the title of the project is a startup which motivates youngsters how to earn online. Slogan for our project is our business is to understand your business. Faculty guide Nilesh Kumar Kakade. Problem statement in our project is many youth are unemployed and want to earn money to complete their financial needs. The brief description of our innovation will be given by my group partner Naiya.
Hello everyone. Our startup idea is to motivate youngsters to earn online by just using a rectangular box they are holding in their hands. Yes, it's the smartphone. Our goal is to make a big network of the people who are interested in earning money online. As many youngsters are sitting at home and wants to earn online, this could be a great platform for their learning. We are going to invite such type of people in a webinar, and we are going to teach the methods that will be useful in earning online. First is drop shipping, which means the reselling of products and earning the commission from it. For example, Misho and Shop 101, etc. The second is affiliate marketing. It is a platform by which one can promote the product and could earn money. We will tell people about the freelancing job which are available on the Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, etc. sites. If they are good at modeling or photography, then how they can sell their photograph, or if they are good at singing, how they can sell their voice and they can earn online. How online game could help them to earn money uh, from the online apps like MPL, My 11 Circle, Romy.com, etc. That will be a great platform for earning. What content to post on the Instagram so that they could become famous and could receive the brand promotions. We are going to teach them what unique content to be posted on the YouTube for gaining more likes and subscriptions, and a lot many things we are going to teach them in our lectures. For attending our lecture and for enrolling our lectures, they have to pay 1000 rupees of for 1 month, and daily 1 hour lecture will be conducted. If they successfully pays 1000 rupees, then a unique reference code will be given to them. By using it, they can invite more people, and then they will be given 20%, means 200 rupees commission for each new member entering our group by using their reference code. The other scheme is, if a person don't want to enroll in our course but wants to invite other people who can enroll, then he could purchase a reference code for 500 rupees from us, and 100 rupees commission will be given to him for each and every new member entering in our group using his reference code. And further, we conclude that many people will be influenced by our scheme and our network will grow more very fast. The uniqueness of our innovation will be explained by my partner Brugu.
Further, uniqueness and novelty of proposed innovation. First, the uniqueness in our project is work from home is emphasized here. Second, only one smartphone and internet is needed to work. Third, 100% earning is guaranteed. Fourth, 1000 rupees is a very small amount to start with, everybody could afford it. Fifth, if someone wishes to make its own startup, this could become a great platform. We are sure that many people will be motivated and will be interested in investing in our idea, and our network and idea both will grow for sure. We could become a growing company. Thank you.
Thank you.